Hello guys, how are you all? Fine. So nice meeting you for this case study discussion. So today let us go into the industry revolution of generative AI. As we all know, AI is highly booming and in which generative AI is also taking a very major role. So now let us just have a case study about how the things are moving and your experience in it, the different cases using generative AI. You can just come up and open up with the different types of examples. So let us move into it. Okay. So kindly discuss yourself and then move deeper into it. Yes.
Hello everyone, I'm Harini. Our team is presenting the case study on the industrial revolution of generative AI. So just like the steam engines, electricity, computers once transformed the industries, is now generative AI is reshaping the way we work, live and innovate. So it's not just about the machines doing things faster, it's about the machines' new knowledge and creativity. So let's explore how things happening, how this shift is happening, and what this meant for the future.
Let me explain what Gen AI actually means. It's a part of artificial intelligence, but rather than just analyzing data, it generates new images, text, and compose something which doesn't exist. So just assume you are showing millions of cat images to AI. It rather than it memorizing, it analyzes the pattern, structure, shape. So when you ask again to create image create image a cat under a tree. So based on the based on the thing it analyzed, it generated new images which doesn't exist.
Exactly, Sandhya, and we are already seeing this generated AI replace industries. In healthcare, AI generates personalized treatment plans and as its drug discovery. In business, companies use AI generate product designs and even lift draft. In education, the design interactive learning experience tailored to each student. It almost like this professional now and AI co-work assisting them.
So now coming up to the opportunities, generative AI opportunities are massive. Generative AI improves productivity, reduces the cost, and even spark up the innovations. And even small startup companies are competing with the bigger corporation because AI reduces those barriers into it. So just like in the industries which democratize the access to goods and services, now generative AI is democratizing access to creativity and knowledge.
Now we see how the big shift is actually. So by comparing it with past industrial solution, so first one is a steam engine which mechanize the manual labor. So and the second thing is electricity and mass production, and the third one is computers and which work efficiently. And now we are in the fourth wave, which is the Gen AI, which generate all the thing which doesn't exist.
And history says resolution does not just take a job away; it's create new one. So revolution industries create engineer and machines and factory manager. With AI generate a prompt and a prompt engineer, it's like.
So in the future vision, I like the perspective, think of this way. If humans, AI Gen AI is already taking up all the human work and routine tasks. So if Gen AI is doing that, humans are meant to do the high order tasks like problem solving, creativity, and everything. So it reduces the work for humans.
Let me clear with this with an case example. Assume an architecture thing. AI can make multiple designs. So, but still a human which select the design which is more efficient, scalability, and which would be highly good. So, I think the AI which is support the architect rather than replacing the architect.
The small business owner in this rural town to create marketing campaigns, the polystering the new advertisement, and it's create the generative AI.
Yeah.
So, and that's we what we call in this revolution is it's not just an industrial revolution. It's just a upgradation of tool which causes a big impact in economics and jobs, replacement of humans in everything.
Now by past resolution, the people in the past cannot guide it or control it. So by Gen AI, we guiding the AI to produce this the thing we needed. So we can control that by new things and the new rules, ethics. So it all depend upon how we use it.
The industrial revolution, it's not just about new technology. It's way to about new living and working. Humanity to focus on high level problem solving and creativity and collaborations.
So that was a nice case discussion, and we can see that in day-to-day life, everything is moving towards AI as well as generative AI. So in terms of making the task easy, and at one side, it is creating something which even we cannot imagine and which it cannot happen in reality. So there are both pros and cons in our generative AI. So as far as we are concerned, we should keep in mind that which one is good to go with generative AI and which not to be taken, and decide it wisely. Right? So thank you for the case study. Thank you guys. Thank you.